Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can buy digital vouchers using the Absa app and how you can earn up to 30% cashback on your purchases. First open the Absa mobile banking app on your phone. If you don't have it, download it from the App Store and Google Play. Once you're logged in, tap on the reward section and you can get to 30% real cashback. And on the reward section is where you can access all the digital vouchers and cashback offers. Alright. So there are some tiers here, and with the percent like for tier 5 product, it offers 30%. For tier 4, you can get 7.5%. All right. And make sure you download the latest app from Google Play or if you're on iPhone on the App Store. This is the banking app. And once you're on the app, you can browse available digital vouchers. You can find vouchers for gaming, music, TV, and more. Then just pick your favorite voucher from the list and select the one you want to buy. And make sure to check your reward tier for potential cashback offers. At the moment, the reward tier is this here. And after performing the purchase, you will receive your voucher pin instantly and your voucher will be available for use right away. Just a quick reminder, you can only earn cashback on purchases made through the app and you won't earn Absa cash yours directly on the partner sites. And that's how you buy digital vouchers and earn cashback with the Absa app. And that's simple.